Did you know that people with the ENFJ personality type, often dubbed as the protagonist, make up a mere 2% of the general population? This rarity, however, doesn't dampen the impact they have on the world. Warm, outgoing, and passionate, ENFJs are all about helping others realize their potential. The ENFJ personality type, as defined by the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, encompasses 4 key traits: extroversion, intuition, feeling, and judging. These individuals are known for their ability to inspire, lead, and bring about meaningful change in society. Now, consider the ISTJ personality type, often referred to as the inspector. ISTJs are introverted, detail-oriented, and practical, a stark contrast to the outgoing and visionary ENFJ. While ENFJs are future-focused, ISTJs are rooted in the present, valuing facts, details, and concrete plans. Similarly, the INFP, or the mediator, shares the ENFJ's intuitive and feeling traits, but differs in their preference for introversion and perceiving. While ENFJs are organized and decisive, INFPs are flexible and spontaneous, often seeking out life's possibilities. On the other hand, the ESTJ, the executive, shares the ENFJ's extroversion and judging traits, but prefers sensing over intuition and thinking over feeling. ESTJs are practical, fact-minded individuals, unlike the ENFJs who are more focused on people and emotions. These comparisons underscore the unique blend of characteristics that define the ENFJ personality and highlight the diverse spectrum of personalities as depicted by the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. The Myers-Briggs Personality Test offers a fascinating window into understanding oneself and others. It's a tool that can help you gain insights into your strengths, weaknesses, and the ways you interact with the world. So, why not take it up? The test could help you better understand your natural inclinations and how you can leverage them to thrive in various aspects of your life. Remember, there's no right or wrong personality type. The beauty of the Myers-Briggs personality test lies in its ability to celebrate our differences and help us understand how these differences shape our perspectives, behaviors, and relationships. So, dive in and discover the wonders of your unique personality.